Hey, YouTube, what's up, everyone? It's Lone Star Diecast, and today what I have here in front of me is my first time buying this. This is the 2023 Hot Wheels Amazon exclusive Black Box Mix H, and today we are going to unbox this case. So let's get into it. So the 2023 H case, the regular treasure hunt for the H case is the Ducati 1199 Panagale. The super treasure hunt is the Golf Glory Chaser. And hopefully we get one of those in our case. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So the first car of the case is the Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird in this recolor of black with gold combo. It was in white at the beginning of the year in the C case and was a new model in 2022's Q case. This is probably my favorite color of it. There is a Zamac version of it out there too, but I need to get that one. Next up, we have the roller toaster designed by the legendary Ryu Asada. It says peanut butter and jelly on the side of the car. Pretty interesting little feature on the side where you can put the toast up and down. New model, Rockin Railer, new for 2023. Part of the HW Drag Strip series, number 6 out of 10. Pretty cool fantasy car. It's like a drag strip fantasy car. Next up, we have the Fast Felion from the Fast Feline from the HW Turbo, number 5 out of 5. In this football brown color. Looks more sportish. Next 4 cars of the case we have is the 1971 Plymouth GTX. This was a Hot Wheels Ultra Hots car, I think it was, and it has those cool Spectra wheels on it. I forgot what they're called. Spectra Floss wheels on it, but pretty nice car from the Muscle Mania, 7 out of 10. Now this one is a beautiful recolor. This is the recolor of the Pagani Zonda R, and check that color out. That is probably one of the best recolors I've ever seen on a car. Nice color on that one. It explains why this one's being sought after a lot. The color on this thing in person is wild, man. They need to put more colors on these cars, man. Alright, next up is BAM! There's the treasure hunt. This is the Ducati 1199 Panagale treasure hunt for the 2023 H case. We got a treasure hunt out of our first H case, baby. Let's go. Out of the first purchase. See the symbols on the side of the car or the bike, and then it says the text on the back of the card, letting you know it's a treasure hunt. Not really a fan of bikes, but this one's actually pretty clean. I like it a lot. Pretty cool. So there's the Ducati treasure hunt for the H case. Coming from the Hot Wheels ID line to the mainline line is the BMW I8 Roadster. Now I'm not too happy and liking this casting. I'm disappointed with it because they barely put any details on it, just front BMW logo and then the back lights. It looks kind of plain. Next 4 cars. This is the brand new casting for 2023. This is the Tooned 1970 Fast and Furious Dodge Charger RT. This one I saw in the store. I didn't want to really pick it up, so I bought this one, and now I have it. They have a Supra coming up too. Ooh, check this out. This is the cool recolor 60th anniversary of the Lamborghini Sian FKP37. I thought the green one was nice, but this orange one stands out. Check that out. I want to see a lot of recolors on this one. Something better than this thing. This is probably my favorite recolor of it. I hope to find more of these because I do want a wheel swap one. This orange in person is magnificent, man. There you go. Oh, look. It's a batmobile. Who cares about that? Here's another one I really wanted. This is the recolor of the Moon Eyes 30th anniversary Kool Kombi. There's a Zamac version of it, but I need to get that one. But look at this one. The yellow, I have it too. I have the yellow version, but this gray one, this flat matte steel gray color one is freaking awesome. Pretty cool. All right, This is the last 4 cars of the case. This is what would be the super treasure hunt of the H case, Glory Chaser. But hey, I'm not disappointed. The regular version is just as nice as the super. It says number 8 on the side. Pretty cool golf car. The golf decal really fits this casting because it's an old-time race car. It's a fantasy car, but hey, it's still cool. Another one coming out of the ID line to mainline. This is the Jaguar I8 Trophy. Didn't find this one in ID form, unfortunately, but I'm glad I have it in the mainline version now. Looks pretty sweet in flat black color. You can see the cicadas in the background buzzing. But pretty cool Jaguar right here, pretty cool. Fast and Furious Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Man, I don't know how many times they even did this casting. It is just beyond ridiculous of how many of these things are doing for Fast and Furious. A lot of people are disappointed with the House Fast and Furious line because they just keep on making too many repeats, and I understand why. And then finally, our last car is the 1970 Dodge Powerwagon. This is the one I did not find in the wild as well. Pretty nice deck on it, pretty cool. I like it a lot. Actually looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. Hopefully we see this as a super one day too. It'd be a good super. So there you go. There you go. There is the Hot Wheels 2023 Amazon exclusive black box Mix H. Let me know if you're buying these things and if they are worth buying. I mean, I'm glad we got the treasure hunt in there. I was not expecting that, but I think these things are honestly pretty good to buy. Let me know what your favorite casting is for the 2023 H case. And once again, we'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned for J case. Bye-bye.